Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Michelle. Thank you for joining me for this quick unboxing. I won a giveaway from Jasmine at Jasmine Plan Studio, and it just came today. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You don't even know right now. My daughter said, you have to do an unboxing. Do it now. It's still light. So here I am. I even got a new setup for my camera, and I don't want to take the time to get it properly set up. So I hope this comes out okay. I'm welcome. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know Jasmine knows that I'm so excited because this is something I've been working my way towards saving for, and oh my gosh, I don't even know how to get it open. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Please bear with me. Oh, when I found out that I had won, when she emailed me and told me I won the giveaway, oh my gosh, I was so excited. But what's funny is I wasn't even sure what it was I had won. I just knew I won, and I was excited, of course. So, oh my gosh. Oh, Lord. Calm down, Michelle. Calm down. So you can get this open. And then I went back. I said to my husband, I said, I think it's a certain thing, but to me that seemed seemed surreal. If that's what it is that I won, no, I can't believe it. And I went back and looked at the video where she announces the giveaway, you know, what she was giving away. And I said, oh my God, that is it. Oh my God, I was just so excited. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to get this open, Jasmine. I don't know how to get it open. Oh my gosh. I guess if I calm down. Oh, this is, oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I have to rip the box. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is pitiful, guys. I know. I'm so sorry. Jasmine, I'm sorry for ripping the box like that. Oh my God. That says, Michelle, congratulations. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoy these items from the Millennial Dollar and have fun putting them to good use. Wishing you all the best on your budgeting and savings journey, Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine. Oh, God bless you. Oh, look at, I got a checker. Tissue paper. Oh, let me just open it right here. Oh, yes. Save $50 each. Icon is worth $5. The Nina collection. Oh, yes. I'm not going to read all that right now. I got a checker. I got a checkered bookmark. I got one of the paper clips. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is just feels surreal. Oh Ooh. Let me take everything out. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. Oh my God, magnets. I've been wanting magnets. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. I could cry. I could cry. Let me put this to the side. Oh, let me move these out the way. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she feels so nice. Oh. Oh. Do ordinary things with extraordinary love. Mother Teresa. The Millennial Dollar. Oh. See, $56 each. I could. Another one. Oh, another one. Another one. Oh. See, you know, just to, oh my God. Oh. Wow. Oh, yes. It just feels so nice. I love this. I love this. I can't even. I think this is Prism Punch. The color, I believe. Oh. Wow. And then look at a pocket. A pocket. Wow. Oh, well, we wanted to do this. Hey. Oh, these are so pretty. Wow. Oh. And hope it's still recording. Yes. My first two magnets. I love magnets, and this is so cute. Oh my God. I'm speechless. I girl, you totally got this. The Millennial Dollar. Yes, I do. And this came like right on time. My daughter came over and she bought it. She said, I was looking for the clamp for my phone. And then she said, she sat down 2 boxes, and I was like, I didn't order anything else. Just the thing for my phone. She said, well, it has your name. And I'm like, what? And I said, oh my God, oh my God. Is that my binder? Is that my binder? And it is. Jasmine, I appreciate you so much. And I thank you so much for this. Wow. Wow. These are the first envelopes I've gotten from, oh wow, a small business or a creator that I watch. Oh, it feels so nice. I've gotten some from Amazon. That's where I ordered mine from. Oh my gosh, look at the dashboards. Happy birthday to me, Jasmine. Although you spun the wheel and it picked me. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. But I thank you because you offered this to us. And oh my gosh. I'm gonna probably read this late. Oh wow, I got the white one. Oh wow. 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 Look at all this. Look at this. Look at this. I hope it's in frame in the camera. I'm so speechless. I'm so overwhelmed right now with gratitude. I'll be back to do another video with this and putting it together, I guess. I don't even know right now. But Jasmine, thank you. God bless you. God bless you all for tuning in, and I'll see you another time. Hope you visit again soon. Like, share, subscribe.